Hi everyone, this is a quick tutorial on how to use the Zoom app. First thing is you have to install the app, assuming you don't already have it. On Android it's Play Store, on Apple it's Apple Store. So you go on the Play Store icon, which is that big colorful triangle you find here. It's on the home screen, so I'm going to click on it. And right at the top where it says search, you click there and you type in Zoom, and you should see Zoom Cloud Meeting. In your case, you should have an install button. So when you click on it, it starts the download. It's a big file. It takes time. Please be patient. Once the download completes, then the open button should be highlighted, which is open, which is already here the case for me. You can see the big green button top. Click on open, and there you go. It starts the call. It starts the app. So now you have three options here. One is join a meeting. The other one is sign up and sign in. In our case, we're going to just do join a meeting because that's what most of the time we do. The sign up and sign in is if you are a paying subscriber and you can host your own meeting and other stuff. So let's just join a meeting for now. So I'm going to click on join a meeting, and this is when it asks me some options. So it's going to ask me what meeting do you want to join, and then you have to identify the meeting. So you can identify it with a meeting ID, or as you can see, that personal link name. Let's just join with meeting ID for now, and I'll talk about how other ways you can join. So it's asking me for a meeting ID. So where is my meeting ID? Let me show you how the meeting invite looked like. So this is my WhatsApp meeting invite that I sent myself. Typically this is how it look. It looks a little confusing, but don't worry, it's not. The first option there is join Zoom meeting. It's a full link, so you can just click on that and it will directly take you into the meeting. It will launch the app and take you to the meeting. But in our case, we're looking for the meeting ID, which is, you can see that second number there, in blue there, 690-291-1580. So let's remember that number or write it down, and now go back to the app. 690, it is 291-1580. Go back to the app where it says meeting ID, enter that 690. Okay, I forgot it already. So I go back and take a look, 291-1580, and I say join. Now you have two options to don't connect to audio and turn off my video. So both of these are not turned on, so it's fine. In this case, if you don't want to join the audio and the video, then you have to have both of these turned off. I'm going to just I don't want to connect my audio because it will mess up my recording, so I'm going to turn that on. But I want my video to be started, so I'm going to say well, yeah, I don't want my video also to be started for now, so I'm just going to say turn off my video. I'm going to click on join my meeting, and that's when it says it's waiting for me in the host. What am I, it's asking me where is this. So I'm going to come here on my laptop. I'm doing it, and I'm going to say, start the meeting here, and it's letting me in, and so it's saying this is the video of the person who's doing the call. Where's my video? So I have to start my video. Remember, I had not started it. So I tap anywhere on the screen, this bottom ribbon comes alive, and you can see join audio is there. When you click on join audio, it gives me two options. In your case, you will be using call via device audio, and you need to click on that to enable it. I'm not doing this because it will mess up my recording, but when you're attending a Zoom session, you have to typically do that. Okay, now, but I can start my video because video is different from audio. So I'm going to click on that start video button. It'll ask me, allow Zoom to record pictures and record video. It's just, you have to say allow. Similar question will be asked when you click on the audio button too. And as you can see, there's my video at the bottom of the screen. You can toggle it. You can make it the big one by just tapping on it. That's me. Hi. And you can go back to the other person's video. Now let's see if we can get some more people to join in this call. So when you just click on admit, and there you can see another person is joining. So you see the three dots at the bottom, that's which screen you're on. And so if you can see as one dot to the right. So if you scroll to the right, you'll see there's some person. We have somebody named Tanvi Nair. Hi Tanvi. Tanvi, can you hear? Okay, can you say something, Tanvi? Oh, I think no, Tanvi, you're muted, I believe. So anyway, if she says something, you could be able to hear her at that point. So you can see, and then you'll see that she's muted. But at the bottom left, next to her name, you can see that microphone with a red line through it. It means she's muted. that Trisha's also joined. So we have 4 people right now on this call. And as more people join, more dots will show up at the bottom. So again, you'll have to be able to scroll more to the right. We only have 4, so only 3 dots are showing. This is the main page. Anytime you want an option, you just touch anywhere on the screen, you get the bottom pane showing up. If you click on more, you have these options where you can chat. So I can chat with somebody else. I can send a chat to everyone, or I click on everyone and it says, oh, who do you want to chat with? Let's say I say Trisha and I say hi. And so a private message is sent to Trisha. It says there privately, and Trisha sees it, and then Trisha, when she sees it, she can reply back and say, oh, there she saw it, she said hello. So that is how you can do chat. You click on close to go back, and again, you can, if you're in a webinar. Now a webinar is when one person is doing all the video, or 2 people are doing all the video, and everybody else is just watching. You cannot send your video because that's like a web seminar, right? So 2 people are talking, we're all watching. But if you want to raise a question, that's when you raise my hand and you can ask a question. You have these other options, so it's very, very convenient in that sense. And yeah, I mean, you have to manage your own audio. Remember, your own audio, you have to click on the call via device audio and you're good. You can stop your video by just clicking on stop, and your video goes, see, it goes away from the bottom. Or you can start it. You can share a file. You can see who all the participants are. It shows these are the people in the participant. You can add more people if you are the meeting if you're the one who started the meeting. And go back, and when you're done with the meeting, you just have to click on that leave button at the top, and it says leave meeting, and you click on it, and that meeting's over. So I can end the meeting there. So this is it. You come back to the app home UI. For today's meeting, I think Padmaja or somebody will send you a simple link. If you've already installed the app, you just have to click on that link, and then you'll be in the session. For the most part, you need to just listen and see, but so you can turn off your audio and video, but you can turn it on also. It's up to you. But if it's a webinar, then you won't have a choice. They'll do it for you. But if you have any question and you have to go there, click on that, on that where it says raise a hand, and then you can wait and they'll ask you what your question is, and you can type it in there. Hope this helps. Quick and simple one. Cheers.